Jai Baba friends. We are singing, Kathy Riley, is singing Mira Bhajan, Dilto Mera. And
Thank you, Betty. This is a beautiful song that Mara told me that Baba heard this while they were on a balcony with him in Dehradun, and street boys below were singing, "Oh Krishna, I'm crying out to you. You said in the Gita you'd come back in the Kali Yuga. Why have you not come before us?" Of course, there was Krishna twinkling to the women. And as I also had read in Mera Meher, a slightly different story, that they were in Dehradun, but inside of a house, and heard these boys in the courtyard or in the outside the house singing beautifully, and Baba called them in, and it was three young brothers and the father, and this was one of the songs they sang, and Baba was very happy and asked the ladies to give some money to this family because they did such a good job. But of course, the ironic twinkly part of the story is that, of course, there is Krishna right in front of them as they're saying, "Why have you not come?" And Mara was saying how lucky they were to know that Krishna was there with them. What a gift that was to them. And Baba was enjoying it thoroughly. So here is Dil Tomera. Dil Tomera har liya प्यारे कृष्णा कृष्ण ने दिल तो मेरा हार लिया प्यारे कृष्णा कृष्ण ने कृष्ण कृष्ण मैं पुकारू तेरे घर के सामने Krishna Krishna मैं पुकारू तेरे घर के सामने गीता में वादा किया था आऊंगा कलयुग में गीत में वादा किया था आऊंगा कलयुग में अब क्यों नहीं आते हो भगवान आज हमारे सामने अब क्यों नहीं आते हो भगवान आज हमारे सामने दिल तो मेरा हार लिया प्यारे मेरे बाबा ने बाबा बाबा मैं पुकारू तेरे घर के सामने Mara had asked that on the repeat of the first two lines that happen at the end of every bhajan to replace Krishna's name with Meher Baba's name. And that made her happy. And of course, that then made me very happy.
well, I'll show it again quickly. You can see what Kathy's.
Instead of Krishna, Krishna,
Yeah.
Pyare Krishna, Krishna, she wanted me to sing Pyare Meher Baba Ne. And then instead of Krishna, Krishna, Mai Pukaru, Baba, Baba, Mai Pukaru.
Beautiful.
And, she had I have mentioned that she had opened the Victrola on in the parlor area and played these old records with the cranking it up and the needle going down. And the recordings were by Jukita Roy, who was, I think, a very famous bhajan singer at that time. And I think Baba particularly liked Jukita Roy's voice. So those are the recordings that I made from those records and then worked on them to sing them back to Mara.
How
Mhm.
beautiful. Thank you, Kathy.
Thank
And
you.
Mona has joined. Jai Baba, Mona.
Mona,
Hey. Mhm.
we're
Jai
invited,
Baba.
Jai Baba.
Say
we're
bye.
invited to sing along muted, just so you know.
Yeah, I figured.
Um,
So Sally, you wanna sing your, oopsie, where is it? Kando Shakur Dilato?
Yeah, sure.
Maybe, I wonder if you should go do the whole song?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
all right,
sure. Yeah.
yeah, all right. There we go.
Jai Baba.
Yep.
So this is Kando Shakkar, a beautiful ghazal written by Baba. And here it goes. Kando Shakkar dila do, तोरे मगज में हूँ मैं, शीरीन सुखन जुरा दो, हर्फी बहस में हूँ मैं, दुनिया को छोड़ते ही रब का पता मिलेगा, कैसे दिखेंगे माले, अब तक हवस में हूँ मैं, खालिक से हूँ मैं बंदा, बंदे से वो है खालिक, मुझ में है अक्के याद, फरियाद रस में हूँ मैं, खाकी नजर से रब को है देखने की ख्वाहिश, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, फिक्रे अबस में हूँ मैं, ये दर्द बेदवा है, छाती में दम रुका है, सब कुछ भी हो चुका है, आखिरी नफस में हूँ मैं, हुमा का रूही तोता, कहे तन के पिंजरे में, आजाद कर दे यज़दां, बदनी कफस में हूँ मैं, कांदो शक्कर दिला दो, तोरे मगज में हूँ मैं, शीरीन सुखन जुरा दो, हर्फी बहस में हूँ मैं। जय बाबा।
Lovely, Sally. Beautiful, beautiful. Shall we maybe have it one more time? Are you up for that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay, then we'll mute and sing if we like to.
So were there any parts where anybody felt that they were not sure how to pronounce or what the word is or what it sounds like?
what is that? In the first line, that mud. What is that mud?
मगस में हूँ मैं, तोरे मगस में हूँ मैं. It is
Magus?
yeah, it
It's
is
not a it's not a J, it's a S. Magus.
yeah, because I have the wording here in Hindi in my
Uh-huh.
the print that I have. So in Hindi, the word the letter S is there. So magas mein hu main. That's the sound I have here.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
Magus. Mhm.
But because you have that tilde on top of the U, I believe that's because of the sound for the
Uh-huh.
U, and
Okay.
but it should be an S sound, not a J,
Not
from
a
what
J.
I
Okay.
feel.
Mhm.
Yeah, Magus. It's not even an SH. It should be an S, just an S sound. Magus mein hu main.
Do you,
Tore magus mein hu main.
would you mind if you would just say like Kondo, Shakur Dilado, and then wait, and then Torre, Magus, Me, Hume, just because I'm feeling a little, I really do want to learn it, but it's almost like too much information in a way. Is it okay if you just do like a half of a phrase and then we repeat?
Uh-huh. Yeah, sure. Yeah. So like you want me to sing the first half of the first line and then wait a little bit? Is that what?
Yes, if you don't, is that okay with everybody
Yeah.
else?
Oh, okay. You're
Okay.
asking the rest. Okay.
Okay.
So like Kando shakar dila do
Kando Shakar Dilado.
तोरे मगस में हूँ मैं
Tore Magas Mehume.
शीरीन सुखन जुरा दो
Irin Sakal Jurado.
हर्फी बहस में हूँ मैं
Arahi Behas Mehume.
दुनिया को छोड़ते ही
दुनिया को पार थे
रब का पता मिलेगा
रब का पता मिलेगा
कैसे दिखेंगे मालिक
कैसे दिखे माली
अब तक हवस में हूँ मैं
अब तक हवस में हूँ मैं
खालिक से हूँ मैं बंदा
खालिक से हूँ मैं बंदा
बंदे से वो है खालिक
बंदे से वो है खालिक
मुझ में है हक के आदिल
मुझ में है हक के आदिल
फरियाद रस में हूँ मैं
फिर याद रास्ते हूँ मैं
खाकी नजर से रब को
ताकि नजर से रब को
है देखने की ख्वाहिश
नहीं देखे है किया फरमाइश
it's है देखने की ख्वाहिश. The word ख्वाहिश is desire. So he says I feel like how can I find, he says, I'm slave of the creator, the slave's creator is he. I am the slave of the creator, the slave's creator is he. Within me is the birthright to truth, but I am trapped in this agony. So it's खालिक से हूँ मैं बंदा. No, this is the next one. खाकी नजर से रब को है देखने की ख्वाहिश. Okay, let's do this part. खाकी नजर से रब को है देखने की ख्वाहिश. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. फिक्रे अबस में हूँ मैं. ये दर्द बेदवा है. छाती में दम रुका है. सब कुछ भी हो चुका है. आखिरी नफस में हूँ मैं. हूँ माँ का रूही तोता. कहे तन के पिंजरे में. आजाद कर दे यज़दां. बदनी कफस में हूँ मैं. कांदो शकर दिला दो. तोरे मगस में हूँ मैं. शीरीन सुकन जुरा दो. हर्फी बहस में हूँ मैं. So I noticed that there's a couple of places where we can make a few corrections in the way the words have been written in English. So the one where it says that couplet where it says ये दर्द बेदवा है छाती में दम रुका है. It's RUKAA, not a T. Not it looks like it's RUKATA.
Could you, well, what line is this? Sorry.
It's the one that starts with ye, YE. ये दर्द बेदवा है.
Okay.
It's the
छाती में
रुका
But
है.
Sally, it says rukta hai, which is fine.
Is that the way the wording is? छाती में
I
दम.
don't know the wording, but it's
No,
it said rukta hai. Rukta
no,
hai
that
means
is
it stops now.
that is correct. The word rukta is correct, but the way Baba wrote it, it's ruka hai because I
Okay.
have the Baba's
Okay.
the whole song in Hindi. So in
Okay.
this it says ruka hai because it says it's trapped in his heart. The
रुका है
छाती में दम रुका hai. So
रुका.
Yeah,
yeah.
it changes the whole
What
meaning.
happened
Rukta
to
hai
the
and rukta hai.
T? Was the T's there? No.
The T is
Ruka,
the T shouldn't be there. That T should go
silence.
away, and you can make
Ruka,
ruka hai. RUKAA. You can make it
Ruka.
AA. Ruka hai.
Hey,
Yes.
Ruka, hey.
But
You just could make it RUKAHE. Hey.
But is there something about changing the meaning though?
No, the
Yeah,
meaning, if you say rukta hai, I mean छाती में दम रुकता है. I mean it's not incorrect for rukta hai, but the way it should be is it should be ruka hai. छाती में दम रुका है.
the meaning is definitely different, Sally. If you say
Yeah.
rukta hai, it means it stops.
It
If you
stops.
say
Yeah.
ruka hai, it means has stopped. It stopped. The
छाती
difference
में
is
हाँ दम रुका है
rukta hai means it stopped. Rukta hai means it stops.
I
yeah
see.
slight variation yeah that is
No, it's the big difference.
रुकता है छाती में दम रुकता है छाती में दम
Means
रुका है
Chati mein dam rukta hai means in the heart or in the chest your breath stops.
Yeah,
No,
yes.
rukta hai. It
Yes.
stops.
Ooh.
And ruka hai means in your heart or in your chest your breath has stopped.
I see.
You
Yeah.
got it?
Hmm. Wow. I wonder which one is the correct one though. So
As
that's
Sally said, she has the Hindi version with Baba wrote, so I guess what she
yeah
says.
in this version that I have here it says छाती में दम रुका है it should be RUKAA that's the way I see it I mean
okay.
yeah छाती में दम रुका है and then
Which means the breath has stopped in the chest.
yeah the literal meaning yeah Mhm.
Hmm.
It's very wordy as you can see it the whole song and Baba has very beautifully used all the rhyming words that end in S. So that's the reason I said it's Tore Magas mein hu main. And then he says Behes. Behes is a little tiff. And then Havas is lust. Ab tak havas mein hu main. Faryad ras mein hu main. Um, फिक्रे अबस में हूँ मैं this is फिक्रे अबस में हूँ मैं so everything ends in an S nafas आखिरी nafas like Mahu explained the meaning the other day the last moments the final moments आखिरी is the last nafas में हूँ मैं and kafas is the what is it the uh what is it what is kafas Mona is it the prison prison
I
of
didn't.
this body it says
I
I'm trapped in the prison of this body badani kafas mein hu main badan is the body and kafas is I'm trapped in the prison of this body it says the meaning at the bottom yeah
Okay.
the pinjara is the cage then
Yeah.
I'm trapped in the cage of my body feels like a cage and I need to come out. Ruh is the soul, and he says this bird, this parrot who's like huma ka ruhi tota, the soul which is like the bird that's trapped inside this cage-like body needs to be free and come out. So he says, Azad kar de Yazdan, give me freedom, make me free, O Yazdan, since I'm trapped in this bodily prison, kinda. Yeah,
Yeah.
it is
And the
very
bird, not
wordy.
a bird, he says it's a parrot, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tota, right? Tota
Tota,
is
yeah,
parrot. Yeah.
parrot, yeah.
Oh, yes, God, give me freedom. I am trapped in the prison of this body.
Body. Yep.
Parrot of humus soul calls out from cage of the body. Huma karutiko ta kahi tunke.
Pinjare mein.
Pinjari may
Mein.
In. May means in. In the prison. In the, yeah. Pinjra is the bird cage.
But the cage, yes.
Yeah, the cage, yeah.
So we could take this slowly since it is 6 couplets So, we can learn two at a time, and then till everybody gets comfortable with the way the wording goes. So I know this is a very beautiful ghazal and also a very wordy one by Baba. The way I see it.
At the top, there's only a couple of words in English for Kundo o Shakur Dilado.
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell me what is the meaning of Kandu? The meaning of
The way Nosh translated is Nosherwan translated it. It says here, "Give me sugar, give me sweets. Kando
Okay.
shakar dilado, tore magas mein hu main." I'm like the honeybee.
Yes. Oh, I know which poem this is from Nosherwan's translations. Yes.
And the second line, Shireen Sukhan Jurado, Harfi Behes mein hu main. Well, Behes is kind of like a contradiction. So here the meaning, the way he gave the
I
meaning
think
here.
Behes means argument.
Yeah, it's an argument, like tiff. He says, combine elegance with sweet words, as I am syllables of contradiction. So that's the way he gave the meaning. I mean, what does Shireen mean, Mona? What is Shireen?
I'm assuming Shireen isn't that Baba's mother's name?
Name. That has
Shireen.
also something to do with sweetness.
Okay, I don't know. I mean, to
Shireen
me, Shireen is the name of person.
Jurado.
This is all Urdu, and I don't know much of Urdu. I know
Yeah,
Hindi,
even I
but
don't know
yeah, Urdu
Hindi.
words I'm also not very familiar with. So
I think that's what it does mean sweet. I remember, I think.
sweet, yeah, something to do with sweetness.
This is the title, and here is Nosherwan titled it The Cage. And here's how he did the translation. Nosher says, "Give me sugar and sweets, so that I may buzz like a bee." Kundo, does that fit in? Kundo sugar like the bee. But it doesn't say give me. It says make me into sugar, or
The word dilado means
bless me with the sugar. Give me sugar. He says, Nosher says, give me sugar and sweets, so that I may buzz like a bee. Let me hear honeyed words, elegant, sweet, combined. So the verb here, no, is here a verb? Here is a verb, maybe. Elegant, sweet, combined. Then contradiction. Let me hear honeyed words, so that I may begin a dialogue. And then I didn't like that. I said, bestow me the breeze of honeyed commune, O beloved, that our rapport may begin, or let our rapport begin. What do you think?
sounds good. Yeah. I mean,
Does it fit? Are we sure? I think this is the same. Kondo Shakur Dilado. Does that mean cage? Body? Okay. I think that's the same, referring to the same thing, poem. Or
I'm almost thinking we should invite think of some Baba person who can speak Urdu who would come on and really give,
Really lay it on
we're-
us.
we're
Yeah.
a little bit all in the dark about this. It'd be
That
nice
is,
to,
I agree with you, Kathy. That is
yeah,
a,
so
that would be a
do you
great
know,
idea.
do you know
Urdu is
somebody?
a really ancient language. If you can find somebody who speaks Urdu in this day and age, would be like really awesome.
Well,
Anywhere.
if Narshawan did,
no
if
Urdu.
Narshawan did the translation, wouldn't it be wonderful if he gave a talk
I-
about
I
this?
think
I can try, I can request him, and see if he would want to come on and, at least
Join
for
us.
this ghazal to give us a little bit of a
Cool.
background and meaning to, because the translation that I have here is like a very literal one. It doesn't, really, it's not in sync with what I mean, the way we're seeing. Yeah,
And-
so it's kind of a little tricky or confusing, I would say,
Mhm.
because I don't know the meaning of a few of these Urdu words, and then it'll be really nice if he can bring more up, shed more light on this and give us a better meaning. I will definitely ask him and see
Okay, yeah.
what he says.
Mm,
Thank you, Sally. That's a
yeah, that was
good idea.
beautiful.
Now here's a phrase that I don't see in what we have displayed on the, and the next one, it says, you will find his whereabouts only if you renounce this world. You cannot glimpse the Lord now. I heard someone mention lust. You cannot glimpse the Lord now. You are still steeped in lust.
Yes. So the second verse is very clear. From what I read and what I understand, that verse, that couplet is very clear to me meaning wise, because dunya is the world. So here Baba says, you will find God the moment you leave this world of Maya. Dunya ko chhodte hi. The moment you leave this world of this Maya, if you get away from this Maya, Rab ka pata milega. Rab is God. Rab ka pata milega. You will find God's address. Pata is address. You will find God. Milega is find. Kaise dikhenge Malik? How will you see God? Malik is God. How will you see God since you are trapped in lust? Ab tak havas mein hu main. How will I see God since I'm still entrapped in this
Steeped.
steeped
I
in
like
lust?
that word, steeped.
Yeah. Ab
A
tak
good word,
havas
huh?
mein hu main.
I like it. Yeah.
Havas is lust, yes. Dikhenge is how will you see? Kaise is how. Dikhenge is see the Lord. Malik. Ab tak. Up until now. Ab tak is up until now. I'm steeped in lust.
Yeah.
So the second couplet is quite clear.
Sally, I'm just, because being a singer, I would just love to, if could we just sing the whole thing again? I don't know. It just feels like I
Yeah,
love
sure.
I
Yeah,
love the feeling of singing it.
yeah, sure. Let me close this door here.
It just takes me to another realm to sing it.
Yes, sure. Yeah.
Okay,
We
thank
can, I can go slow, like part by part, so the wording, I mean, is clear. I'll do it slowly. Jai Baba. Khando shakar dila do, तोरे मगस में हूँ मैं, शीरीन सुखन जुरा दो, हर्फी बहस में हूँ मैं, दुनिया को छोड़ते ही रब का पता मिलेगा, कैसे दिखेंगे माले, अब तक हवस में हूँ मैं, खालिक से हूँ मैं बंदा, बंदे से वो है खालिक, मुझ में है हक के आदिल, फरियाद रस में हूँ मैं, खाकी नजर से रब को है देखने की ख्वाहिश, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, फिक्रे अबस में हूँ मैं, ये दर्द बेदवा है, छाती में दम रुका है, सब कुछ भी हो चुका है, आखिरी नफस में हूँ मैं, हूँ माँ का रूही तोता, कहे तन के पिंजरे में, आजाद कर दे यज़दां, बदनी कफस में हूँ मैं, कांदो शकर दिला दो, तोरे मगस में हूँ मैं, शीरी सुखन जुरा दो, हर्फी बहस में हूँ मैं। जय बाबा।
Sally, I
Beautiful,
think there's
Sally.
more. I think there's more to this poem. I'm missing. I gotta find mine.
Mhm.
For
It
instance,
sounded so sweet.
yeah,
Thank you so much.
it does.
जय बाबा।
Oh yes, Dan, give me freedom.
Oh,
we have a workman here that I need to talk to. So could it be okay if I ask maybe you, Diana, to close when?
yeah, I think I have to go
Yeah.
too. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry, Betty.
Should
Oh,
we, I don't have this to put,
Oh.
up. I can't do anything with it, so I actually need you to send it to me if you don't mind.
Oh.
But,
okay.
should we just close now after
Yeah.
these two beautiful
Let's do
pieces
that.
of music and let you go,
Okay.
your workman? It's
Okay.
been so lovely.
thank you.
Beautiful
जय बाबा।
song.
Jai Baba.
Now we have them
Jai
recorded.
Baba. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank you.
everybody.
Thank Baba.
Everyone leaving? Are we shut down? Is that it? Oh,
Yeah, I guess this meeting is shut down until the next one, Ralph.
okay. Oh,
Thank you.
okay.